Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you make informed beauty choices with every product we review. Today, we're exploring the Ovente LV1809P Professional Curling Iron, a tool designed to elevate your hairstyling routine with its sleek design and professional-grade features. Whether you're after effortless curls or smooth waves, this curling iron might just be what you're looking for. Let's break down how it performs and whether it's worth adding to your beauty toolkit. The Ovente LV1809P is a professional-grade curling iron that's all about delivering high-performance results without the hefty price tag. Designed with a heat-resistant glass casing and non-stick Teflon-coated barrels, this curling iron promises to provide a smooth glide as it heats up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's constructed to prevent hair damage with a protective barrier that ensures your hair shaft is shielded from excessive heat, and it works with both 110 volt, 240 volts, making it versatile for travel. The iron's ergonomic design feels comfortable in the hand, and the lightweight revolving handle makes it easy to turn the barrel as you style, giving you more control and less strain. With 45 watts of power, it's not just about style. It's about efficiency and comfort during those longer styling sessions. Using this curling iron in real-world conditions has been a surprisingly smooth experience. I found that the non-stick Teflon coating really makes a difference when styling. The hair glides effortlessly over the barrel, which reduces snagging or tangling, and cleanup is incredibly easy since residue buildup wipes right off. It heats up quickly, reaching its maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit in just under a minute, which makes it an efficient tool for busy mornings. However, one thing to note is that while it's lightweight, the handle design could feel a little awkward for those with larger hands. The revolving handle does make it easy to maneuver, but if you're not used to that kind of grip, it might take a little getting used to. Also, although the 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat is great for curling, those with fine or delicate hair may want to use a lower temperature to avoid heat damage, as it's quite hot. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the Ovente LV1809P really shines with its non-stick coating, which keeps the styling process smooth and residue-free. The ergonomic handle and quick heat-up time are also major wins, especially for those who are looking to style their hair with ease. The protective barrier for your hair is another solid feature that can prevent unwanted heat damage. On the downside, the heat is intense, so it may not be suitable for finer hair types without adjusting the temperature carefully. Also, the design, while ergonomic, may not be the most comfortable for everyone to hold, especially over extended periods. When considering value for money, this curling iron is a solid option for those who want a professional-grade styling tool without breaking the bank. The combination of a high maximum heat, Teflon coating, and protective features is a good trade-off for the price point. However, if you have extremely fine or fragile hair, it might be worth looking for a tool with adjustable heat settings for more control over the temperature. In terms of build quality, the Ovente LV1809P feels durable, and the heat-resistant glass construction provides peace of mind during use. I found that it holds up well over time, especially with regular use. The revolving handle, while lightweight, is also sturdy, adding to its long-lasting performance. If you're looking for a curling iron that's easy to clean, this one is a top contender, as the Teflon barrels prevent any stubborn product buildup. If you're in the market for something with more adjustable heat control, there are alternatives like the Conair Infinity Pro, which offers a wider range of temperature settings for more customizable styling. However, if you're not concerned about that and just want a straightforward curling iron that gets the job done, the Ovente LV1809P holds its own in comparison. To wrap things up, the Ovente LV1809P Professional Curling Iron offers great value for the price, especially with its non-stick Teflon barrels and ergonomic design. It's best suited for people looking for a reliable, easy-to-use curling iron that can handle medium to thick hair. However, if you have fine hair or prefer more control over heat, it might not be the best match for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this curling iron, Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with us. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.